the hernia comes with the cough or when the child is crying and then it goes away by itself. It's like a magic for them. And inguinal hernias and umbilical hernias do not go away by themselves. They have to be operated. If at all they are presented lately when there is an obstruction, this minor procedure turns into a major one, and that is when the complications set in. So, number 1, there is a swelling in the groin which does not reduce either when the child is sleeping or even by somebody is using a hand to push it inside the abdomen. It does not go. That means it has gone into an obstruction. Second, there is pain which is present. Third, there is redness around this area, that is in the groin. There is a redness that comes and the child is into unbearable pain. This is when you should understand that the inguinal hernia is gone into an obstruction bar strangulation.